Hi, I'm Jared, your trainer with Sunny Health and Fitness, and today I'm going to show you how to reap the benefits from a small but beneficial product that's designed to improve your mobility and exercise performance. The Calf and Hamstring Stretcher and Foot Rocker number 108GY is a great piece of equipment to add to your fitness routine. Weighing in at less than a pound, you can pack it in your travel bag and enjoy rocking your feet on the slip-resistant advanced rubberized pads for enhanced stability. Today, I'll show you a few of my favorite stretches. Make sure you have athletic footwear such as tennis shoes to avoid injury. I will demonstrate a calf stretch by positioning myself near a wall for stability. I place my heel on the back end of the footbed and straighten my leg by lowering my heel toward the ground, simultaneously leaning forward. Inhale to prepare for a stretch and exhale slowly while stretching the muscle. Do not stretch to the point of pain or bounce while stretching. To target the stretch in your hamstring, place your foot in the heel rest and gently bend the knee of your back leg while keeping your front leg straight. Its ergonomic rocker mechanism provides deep, targeted stretches to aid in muscle recovery and injury prevention. Its compact, lightweight design makes it ideal for any setting. Whether at home or on the go, this portable unit will make ankle and foot mobility highly accessible as it can be used on a variety of surfaces, including carpet, tile, and hardwood floors. Here at Sunny Health and Fitness, we're committed to supporting you through your fitness journey. That's why we create products such as the calf stretcher that will promote flexibility, which leads to better circulation, making every activity easier and more enjoyable.